So you finally decided to test out the Amazon selling scene and want to go straight to the source to supply your product idea and start selling now. Well, you should consider some of these tips before diving in headfirst and wasting some of your hardly earned cash. First, do you already have an idea for what kind of product are you going to sell? If you're just starting out, it doesn't hurt to start with an established brand in China that has overseas selling experience. If you go too local with a Chinese brand, you may not get anything in English, and you will have to do tons of customizations to include the packaging and even the user manual. There are ways to filter sellers on 1688 to have everything supported for overseas markets. Have you also compared what other Amazon sellers are selling the product for? Because most likely you will be able to find it. Second, do you know how to list your product? Once you have found a suitable product on a platform like 1688, do you know the type of product it is? And do you know the process on how to register an EAN number by paying for a new one or going through the exception on Amazon on Seller Central platform to get a code for your product for free? If you can't list your product properly, you may have issues not only with shipping the product, but also selling it once it arrives at the Amazon warehouse. Third, do you have all the marketing materials you need that you can get from the supplier? Chances are, if you're working with a seller that has overseas experience, they may share their already existing marketing materials to include videos, flyers, which you should be able to edit for yourself or even hire someone to do it for you. Take advantage that they have done the legwork for you so that all you have to do is make some minor changes. Make sure to get all the product descriptions in English and ask the supplier if the instruction manual and the packaging can all be done in your preferred language to your market. In most cases, if they have overseas experience, you can expect at least English to be there. If you have found value so far and learned something new, please consider liking this video and sharing it with someone that is considering opening an account with Amazon seller accounts and want to procure the goods directly from China. These small actions help YouTube determine what kind of people should watch my video, and it will be greatly appreciated. Fourth, have you established a stable supply chain to include procurement and shipping to the Amazon warehouse? When just starting out, it is okay to start small with smaller quantities. However, you should check suppliers that can ship quickly and use a freight forwarder that is experienced with sending to an Amazon warehouse. There are ways to filter for quick shipping of products, and sometimes they may ship direct to the Amazon warehouse, but that is very, very rare. As for the freight forwarders, if they have no experience sending to Amazon, they may make mistakes that can cost you more money. For example, putting staples on the packages, sticking the shipping label on the wrong location of the box, and not properly tagging your products with the right barcode. All of these can have Amazon charge you more than what you signed up for. If your product does well, then having a stable supply chain is very important to your future success. So good luck with these tips, and if you want assistance with setting up a supply chain for your business, feel free to reach out to me in the comments down below or via the email address stated on the screen to get started. If you want to know how to find a suitable freight forwarder to help you with your shipping needs for your Amazon seller idea, check out this video right here.